Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got an exciting tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to install TrollStore on iOS 17.0 using TrollRestore. If you're looking to enhance your iOS device with some powerful tools, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This process involves using third-party tools that aren't officially supported by Apple. Make sure to back up your device before proceeding, just in case something goes wrong. Now let's move on. Proceed at your own risk. Back up your device first. First things first, we need to download a couple of files. Head over to the TrollRestore GitHub page and download the latest version of TrollRestore. The link is in the description below. Next, download the TrollStore installation file. According to your operating system, the link is in the description. Now, let's prepare your iOS device. Make sure your device is running iOS 17.0. Go to Settings, tap on your name, then Find My, and disable Find My iPhone. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection for the installation process. Connect your iOS device to your computer using a USB cable. Open the TrollRestore folder you extracted earlier and launch the TrollRestore application. On your iOS device, tap to open TrollStore. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect and prepare your device. And that's it. TrollStore is now installed on your iOS device. Don't forget to go back into Settings and re-enable Find My iPhone for security. Congratulations! You now have TrollStore installed on iOS 17.0. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment.